And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to install new fonts. Let us create some text, and when you've got your type tool active, you can select your fonts. Right here on the top left there's a drop down and it shows all of the installed fonts. If you want to add a new one, for example from thefont.com, let's just pick the first one here. I'll download it. Then we need to extract it, so extract all. What you can typically do is to double click on the open type file and there's this install button, but in some Inkscape versions that doesn't work properly. So just right click on this file and then install for all users. Don't get confused here, I'm using a Windows version with a German language, but in the English version it should be install for all users. Once you've done that, you can't directly find it, you have to restart your Inkscape first. So let me quickly do this. I'll create some text again. Let me size it up. And in the drop down, I can now type in the A letter and there's this aesthetic violet and it's available. And this is how you can install new fonts for Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.